Hi guys, welcome to my first edition of Mango's Husband Duties. So first off, would like to introduce my dogs, Quinzel and Harley. Um, Harley is a mix of Belgian Malinois and a Husky, while Quinzel is a Golden Retriever. So yun, tamang muni-muni lang muna tayo dito. Yan, and then tamang pakain lang din natin sila because we're gonna be away for a time, an hour, 4 hours ata. Yan. And then, yan, nilagyan lang din natin ng konting seasoning, yung kanilang mga dog food for flavor. So, first na papakainin natin is si Quinzel. So, kung di nyo napapansin, yung pangalan nila is derived from Harley Quinzel from Batman. Kasi yung asawa ko mahilig kay Harley Quinn. And then yan. Hindi ko rin alam kung baka yun dahilan yun kaya medyo crazy din sila eh. Diba? So yan, nakikita niyo parang hinahabol si Harley ng dog food niya. Yan. Yan. Dun. Harley, dun. Dun pa. Dun. Yan, okay. Sit. Good girl. Okay, kain ka na. Then, we're gonna prepare for our ride. Kasi medyo malayo-layo yung ating biyabiyahin. So, nakamotor lang din tayo using our Snow White Honda ADV 150. So, tamang ayos lang tayo. So, maganda yung cargo pants na yan kasi very comfortable ako pag yun ang ginagamit kong pants. Then yan, tamang ayos lang din tayo ng bed. Yun. Ay, ano nakakit yan si Quinzel? So, suotin natin ating riding jersey. Siyempre, tamang toothbrush lang din tayo. Prepare tayo ng ating mga gears, helmet, safety first, and then our mga gamit. So, sinet up ko lang din yung GoPro ko dyan para ma-monitor natin ang ating rides. So, let's wear our riding boots. And then, labas na natin si Snow White. Yan, we're all set to go. Medyo malayo-layo ang ating biyahe. And let's go! So, yan, no? So, itong video na to, isang till lang makalabas kami ng subdivision kasi medyo nagkagulo-gulo yung files natin. Pero, on the next one, ilalagay ko na rin or ito time-lapse ko din yung biyahe namin from Naik to Manila or kung saan man kami pupunta. So please make sure to follow me on TikTok so you can be updated on some of our vlogs, daily vlogs, food vlogs. We're planning to have a content of restaurants around our place because bago lang din kasi kami dito, so we're planning to have contents of food trips, moto vlogs around our neighborhood. So yun lang guys, thank you for watching.